Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And there they all go. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all enjoying their So yeah, right now, right here, we're on the Macau side. So this is all Macau. There's I forget, that used to be a factory, I think a shipbuilding factory, I think. And over there's University of Macau, but that's China and Hengqin. So we're basically in international waters right now. We got some people fishing down that way. Then you can overlook Coloane. It's a cemetery up in the mountains there a little bit. Coloane village is right there. Coloane is the southern part, and then you can also see some shipping kind of stuff too. This is called Cais de Coloane. You got the China flag and the Macau flag. And that's the and there's, see some of the casinos too. There's Galaxy Casino right there, and Cotai Strip is that way as well. University of Macau, Hengqin, China. This pier right here, and then that's all Coloane. Coloane is part of Macau as well, so. Cais de Coloane. So let's just kind of check it. They also have something called Macau Cruise right here. And we'll just kind of show you this little space as well. There's the Macau Cruise. So let's wander on down. And we'll just kind of check out. They got a little thing right there. And you also have all these little places here. This one like this. Let's just kind of go check it out. Loja de Peixe Tonke. So they have all this kind of stuff too. Looks really nice. Little fish. So this is all in this little space as well. And we got some more over there. And kind of a nice little hillside too. This is called Largo do Cais. Ponte Cais de Coloane. Then we have some more stuff up here. Gonna check that out too. We're gonna check out that one out, but I want to show you this. This right here is when the typhoons come in, and then you get surge, and sometimes they can get up to like 2.5, and just kind of lets people know exactly what you're dealing with. So 2.5 is over my head. And sometimes they'll have announcements that the surge is coming in, and it could be up to 2.5 meters. And if you hear that, then you know it's going to be at that spot at this location. Sandbags just in case of the typhoons. Those are rocks. It's a nice little space right in here. So if you go all the way down, you can overlook everything as well. Nice spaces to sit. That's pretty nice too. Let's just kind of take a look. There's a police up that way, which I don't think we should film. Little temple. Oh, there's money there too. And cigarettes. Look at the Cais right there. And we kind of walk up a little bit further. So yeah, this is what we're looking at here. It's kind of cool to be able to see this right here. Got some restaurants in this area. And got some it's kind of stays little, that's the ocean directly that way. It's pretty cool in here too. It's a really cool little balcony right there. It's nice. Got our black and white tiles again. This one, the prices are really reasonable. 8 mop is to the dollar, just for reference. And since this is going to be our focus, we'll just stay around this little pier area. But yeah, this is part of Coloane. Okay. So we're just gonna maybe capture this little thing and then this little pier. So Plais de Coloane. There it is.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.